Alright guys, so this is actually a new way to get monad testnet token. All right, so this is a brand new method actually, and right here on this video I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to do it. So you need to come over here to this website called the Orbiter Finance, and right here guys, we are going to convert our Sapolia Ethereum. You know, getting Sapolia Ethereum is quite easier than getting the monad testnet token, but over here guys, we are going to bridge our Sapolia Ethereum to monad Ethereum. Then from monad Ethereum we can then convert it to monad testnet token. So on this video guys, I'm going to be doing it practically so that you can be able to understand how it is done. So coming over here right now to this website, which I'm going to be dropping the link on the video description box, what you need to do is to simply go ahead and of course click on this connection button to connect your wallet. Remember, the link to where you can go to Sapolia Ethereum will also be dropped on the video description box, so make sure you check out the video description box to get all these codes. All right, and please, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do well to subscribe to our channel and also like this video to keep us motivated to make more research and find more useful content. All right, so right now guys, I will go ahead and of course click on connect wallet to connect my wallet. Over here right now, you need to just select EVM connect. You click on it right now, and it's going to be bringing out a list of wallets available on your phone. So you go ahead and click on MetaMask. All right, so my MetaMask is going to be popping up and I need to connect it right now. Watch closely. So I will connect my MetaMask immediately. So right now guys, that our connection has established, what you need to do is to simply go ahead and of course click on this BS. You can see this drop down right here. You can see this drop down. You click on it, then you have to search for Sapolia Ethereum. Okay, this is Sapolia Ethereum right now, and of course this is what I've got about 0.832. So right now I'm going to be trying out this bridging right now. So right now that I have selected Sapolia Ethereum, I need to click over here right now to select monad testnet. All right, so you need to search for monad testnet right here. Okay, so watch me closely. If you can't find it, then okay, this is it. You go ahead and search for it. If you can't find it, you select monad Sapolia right now. So we are going to be converting some Sapolia ETH to Sapolia monad. Right now I'm going to be selecting 0.1. okay, so right guys, I'm going to be bridging Sapolia Ethereum to monad. All right, so right now I will click on bridge right now. Okay, so allow it to load up, and right now your MetaMask wallet is to pop up, and once it pops up, then you have to go ahead and of course approve the transaction to proceed with the bridging actually. So right now I'm going to be bridging this immediately. I will click on confirm. Okay, I will click on confirm. You can see network fee is also going to be charged from the Sapolia Ethereum that you have. So I will click on confirm right now, and this is going to be going through right now. Just allow it to load up because you know this is bridging and it may likely take some couple of seconds. So over here right now, you can see they're actually waiting for confirmation. You click on got it. So you click on got it right now. Okay, right now guys, we are going to be switching it up to see if we have actually completed this successfully. So right guys, we are going to be clicking on max. Let's see what we are going to have. You can see now right now our transaction is confirmed, and right now you can see we now have the 0.1 monad Sapolia. So we need to come over here to the search bar and paste the second link. The second link is going to be also on the video description box. Okay, right now once you have just pasted it, then you go ahead and of course search for it. Okay, just allow it to load up immediately, and you are going to be taken to where you are going to need to swap this monad Sapolia that we have gotten right now to the monad token itself. Remember, this is on testnet, so we are getting the monad testnet token. Okay, over here right now, what you need to do is very simple. Go ahead and of course click on this icon over here. You click on it, then from here you need to click on this setting button. You click on it. So over here guys, you can see you need to enable this testnet mode. All right, you need to enable it. You click on this to actually enable the testnet mode. Over here right now, they are going to be giving you a warning that the testnet mode doesn't offer any real value. So right now we are done. You click on this to close this. So right now you need to head back to the main page right now by clicking on this button. So right now guys, after switching to the testnet mode, the next thing we need to do is to simply come over here right now. You click on this Ethereum icon right here. You click on it, and right here you need to click on this drop down right here. You click on this drop down right here. So over here we are going to be selecting the the monad testnet, okay, so that you can interact on it. So you click on it right now. This is going to be showing you list of testnet token that you already got. All right, so right now you need to click on this monad testnet Ethereum right here. You can see this was my balance, this which is what I got from the bridging that I did earlier. So right now I will click on it. So right now guys, we are now on the monad testnet right now, and of course I need to click on this select token down here. You click on it. So we are now trying to select the token that we want to swap into. So I'm going to be selecting monad. Okay, monad. I will select monad because we are actually looking for the monad testnet. So looking down right here, you can see we have a warning right here. Okay, network warning right here. You can see monad testnet might be down right now, or you may have lost your network connection. Obviously I didn't lost my network connection, right? So right now guys, let's go ahead and try it out right now. I will click on max because I want to be swapping every single thing to my mon right here. Okay, so this is going to be loading up. Let's see what we are going to have right here. Of course, let me remove this. Okay, let's now wait and see. Right now you can see we are not being able to actually get this token right here. So let me try it the other way around. Let me just try out something like 5. Let me see if it's gonna be able to match it up and of course give us a price. And over here guys, you can see we're actually experiencing a real downtime right here. Okay, so I think this approach is currently being searched right now. I mean, a lot of people are trying this at the same time. So you can see right here we are not getting any good response right here. So I will click on this again, max. Let's try it one more time. Okay, so this is the kind of thing that you may experience actually. So if this doesn't go through, then I may have to wait and try again next time. But trust me, this is a guarantee way to actually get this monad testnet token, though I may not succeed right here on the video because the website is currently laggy and a lot of people are trying this at this moment. All right, so if you're watching the video right now, go right now, take the same step that I've taken, and trust me, you may be able to succeed at your own end. So I'm actually unfortunate enough to encounter this on this video, but regardless, I'm going to be sharing this video with you guys because this is a sure way to actually get this testnet token, and with this way you can get a very large amount of monad testnet tokens. All right, so I'm going to be trying this on the next in the next couple of hours to see if I'm going to be succeeding, but in the meantime I'm going to be sharing this update with you guys so that you guys can take this step right now ahead of time. So if I was able to succeed, then I'm still going to be making another video right here to address it. All right, so right now with that being done, remember all the links are going to be on the video description box, so check out the video description box to get all this link and then proceed immediately. At least come to this stage and wait until when the monad testnet is working perfectly, you can then swap your monad to your monad Sapolia Ethereum to your actual monad testnet token. So this is the information right now. Wait for me as I'm going to be making the next updates concerning this to update you guys on what I was able to go through and if I succeeded or not. Thank you so much, and I'll be talking to you guys on the next update that is coming very soon.